Hello, Soul Tribe. I'm KamalaDevi, and I want to share with you how to create your reality. So I know this is like a common, meme or thought, which is that we are the authors of our own lives and we create our own reality. But the question is how? What are the specific practices? And specifically in those areas that seem like the hardest. Like a lot of people are like, yes, I get it, I create my reality, but how do I do that in money and relationship? Those are two of the areas that I find people are the most stuck and need the most support. And so this weekend, I'm offering two brand new play shops online. They're like interactive talks at a festival. One is called uh, Money as a Tantric Lover. And it's actually the first time that I've offered these teachings outside of my mystery school. Usually I do it for my love leaders or in a small mastermind, but to actually open it to the world, I feel like it's like needed right now. Obviously, a lot of us are going through some economic hardship, and there's this freeze, and there's this appearance of a recession. And I'm really interested in supporting those of us who are doing light and love in the world and are part of the awakening, supporting them to bring value into the world and be valued for it. So that's why I'm offering it at ISTA's Wild Love Festival, which is online this weekend for like $100. It's a steal because not only can you do a workshop on money, and my other workshop, number 2, is inner marriage, be the beloved. So this is some of the deepest mystical teachings that I have about the partnership within us, which then magnetizes the partnerships outside of us. And so I wanted to offer some of my high-level teachings because that's what's being called of myself and all the other facilitators from around the world. There's a lot of tribe coming together. There's a huge convergence of, I think, 50 facilitators or more, and there's like hundreds of workshops online that will be, you'll have access to replay. And there's actually a third teaching that I highly recommend. I did a talk at the beginning, kind of at the temple doors as we opened the festival, and that was with Bruce Lyon, who is the mystic and the visionary, who is kind of sounding the horn and calling forth the wild lovers. There has been this activated movement since the solstice, and there's a lot of people around the world that are really pursuing this, like, what does it mean to move in the world from your heart? So we've got this amazing, and I'm really one of the deepest talks that I've had around, what is visioning the new civilization that's to come. So I would love for you to join us in that conversation, which, is already available if you want to sign up for the festival. And then just, browse through the schedule, see all the other topics and teachers. I look forward to seeing you there. Blessings.